Our MOGRT is looking pretty good, but we want to add some more to our text. We should add some nice images next to each text. So what I've done is I've gone online and I found a picture of a game controller, of some money, and of a pizza. It is best to find pictures on a white background. This way we can use color key to take the background out. So go to Google, find 3 pictures that relate to what you're talking about as your 3 perks. After you've found your 3 pictures and you have them imported into your Premiere project, it's time to start working on them. So let's click and drag our first picture on top of our text, and let's scale it to match the rest. Then, we need to scale the picture itself to fit. So I'm going to scale it down and move it where I want it. Now, we can go to our Effects folder, type in Color Key, and attach our color key just as we did last time. Now let's grab our eyedropper in our Effects control window and click on the white part of our image. I need to up my tolerance so I can get rid of the rest of the white. I'm going to try 50. Looking a lot better. Now we can go through and do that with the rest of our images. Now that we've got our images all set with our color key, it's probably a good idea to put some effects on the beginning and end of them, so they come in a little better. Let's visit our effects window and type in dissolve. And we're looking for cross dissolve. Let's put cross dissolve on the beginning and end of every one of our images and our text. We don't need it to be that long, so I'm going to take mine and shorten them down. Now let's test and see what we got. That looks a lot better. Now, we just want to make sure that all of our clips end at the same exact place, and all of our clips begin on our first section where they need to be. We should add a cross dissolve to every single one of our layers at the beginning. That way our video fades in and fades out very nicely. We always want to adjust all of our crossfades to not last too long, so we don't lose any of our quality of our video. Let's make sure we save everything we do. We can also put a cross dissolve between our first 2 clips. You can feel free to go through and add any kind of effect you like anywhere you like. Any effect we've talked about in the past 2 weeks, you're free to use. After we're all done, let's go to File and make sure we save everything. Now it's time to export. Let's go to File, Export, Media. Then we're going to make sure our format is set to H.264. If it's not, click your drop down and go to H.264. Then we're going to click on our blue letters and name our video Billboard Video. Then we'll just hit our Save button and click our Export button. Now Premiere will do the rest for us. It's best not to touch our computer while Premiere is doing this. We don't want to interrupt the rendering process and mess up our video. Once this bar is completely filled, our video is done. It is now on our computer, and Premiere tells us in the bottom right that it's done.